Hi, Blake here from 1517 Music to share with you another one of our new releases. This is the traditional Christmas hymn, Once in Royal David City. Played in the key of F, no capo. You could capo 3 if that was something that you wanted to do, or a number of other capo suggestions. So if that's something I can help with, always feel free to ask. I'm going to play for you the first verse of this song as we played it on our Hymn House release. It goes like this. Once in royal David City stood a lowly cattle shed, where a mother laid her baby in a manger for his bed. Mary was the mother mild, Jesus Christ, her little child. He came, and it picks up on the last two beats of that last bar on the turnaround and goes right back into the melody. If you have any questions or you want more resources about this song, you can visit 1517.org/music or drop any questions or comments in the comments below. Thanks.